Good morning, students. Students, today we have a quick recall of chapter Integers, class 7, chapter 1. Okay. So, integers, what is integers? Integers are the set of positive numbers, negative numbers, and 0. For better understanding, you can draw it on a number line and represent their positive numbers, 0, and negative numbers. Okay, now in this chapter we have to see some of the properties of integers, like firstly there is closure property, after that there is commutative property, after that associative property and distributive property. Okay, you are familiar with that, but we have a quick recall. So what is the closure property? So integers are closed under the closure property in addition and in multiplication. Like in closure property, you know that a into b gives another number, absolutely that will be integer. A plus b or a minus b, it will obviously give a number that will be integer. Clear? So this is known as the closure property. And now we are proceeding toward the commutative property. You know that commutative property is a into b is equal to b into a. That is 2 into 3 or 3 into 2, you will get the same result. Clear? So that is the commutative property. That is followed in addition and multiplication. Now we are proceeding toward the associative property. Now what is associative property? Associative properties are the properties in which there are three numbers, a plus b plus c. Firstly, you can do addition of a plus b. After that, you have to add the c. Similarly, if you are adding b plus c firstly and after that a, you will get the same result. This is also followed in addition and multiplication. Now we are going toward the distributive property. What is distributive property? In distributive property, there is a one number which is out of the bracket, and that is multiplying by both the numbers or as many numbers are in the bracket. The number which is in the exterior in the multiplication, that will be multiplied by whole the numbers. All the things are written here. I will show you one by one. Firstly, we have a verbally. I am telling you everything. Okay, now this is all about the distributive property. Now we are proceeding toward the addition. Additive identity. So there is additive identity, but additive identity means you have to add something like that. There is no change in the given number. So obviously, sir, the additive identity is 0. If you are adding 0 to any numbers, the result will be same. Okay. Now what is multiplicative identity? Sir, multiplicative identity means we have to multiply by such a number that there is no change in the given number. So the multiplicative identity will be 1. Okay, now have a quick recall on this. Integers. Integers are the set of positive numbers, negative numbers and 0. Properties of integers: closure under addition and subtraction and multiplication. You know that a into b is equals to c. A into b is equals to c. This is the closure property. Okay, now addition and multiplication are commutative, means they show the commutative property in addition and multiplication. That is a plus b is equal to b plus a or a into b is equal to b into a. Okay. Addition and multiplication are associative for integers. What is associative property? I have told you that there are the three numbers, a into b into c. You can firstly multiply b into c or a into b. Now additive identity, that is additive identity is 0. Multiplicative identity, that is 1. What is distributive property? A into b plus c is equal to a into b and a into c here. So only this things are in integer. So now you can proceed for the exercise. Whatever the questions are there, if you are facing any doubt, we have a discussion in our class or in our next video. Okay, thank you.